How to fix TikTok no internet connection. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager right here. As you can see, go to the apps and now you have to wait a few seconds. Let's wait, scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it, and then only thing you want to do is click on force stop and then open the data usage option right here. Scroll down and make sure to enable all those options right here. As you can see, that's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.